Miles away from the Ethiopian capital Addis Ababa, Sabeta in the Oromia region used to be a largely farming town. But the establishment of a Chinese textile factory has helped improve the transformation of the small Ethiopian town and the lives of the local residents. Equipped with the best weaving, printing and dyeing machinery, the factory of Zhejiang Mina Textile Company Limited in Sabeta is producing products marketed to Europe and neighboring African countries. 31-year-old Worku Lemi is an employee of the factory. He has witnessed the great changes of his life in his hometown since the setup of the Chinese factory.
ደሞዝ ብቻ ሳይሆን ብዙ ነገሮች ተምራለሁ ልብስ እንዴት እንደሚሰራ ብዙ ማሽኖች ብዙ ነገር ነው የተማርኩት በህይወቴ ላይም ብዙ ልዩነት አለ ብዬ ነው የማስበው እና ብዙ አሪፍ
For the textile industry of Ethiopia, the Chinese factory in Sabeta also plays an important role.
ለሀገሪቷም ሆነ ለሴክተሩ አዲስ የሆነ የፊኒሺንግ ፕላን ትልቅ የሥራ ዕድል የፈጠረ ካምፓኒ ኢንዱስትሪው ላይ የፈጠረው ተጽዕኖ ነው መታየት ያለበት።
In recent years, Ethiopia has been dedicated to becoming a manufacturing hub of Africa. And the growing Chinese engagement is contributing to the country's aspiration. In this context, Sabeta has also started to see a surge in manufacturing industries.